MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my video. I so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. I have pink fever always, and pink is one of my most favorite wig colors ever. And so I just actually did this with my hair, and check out the tutorial for that one because this is supposed to last about 3 washes. So super excited. But for those of you who just want pink hair instantly and then to take it off instantly, Wigs come to the rescue, and I am so excited to give this wig a try, as it is a combination of pink and white. This wig is from DonaLoveHair, comes in this really cute blue box. It has a lot of attributes that I absolutely love. One is pink, one is these gorgeous curls, and then also, as you can see, it has white, or like a white blonde, or just a different color which fades out, which clearly I love. And I had seen this wig a lot of times, and I was like, oh my gosh, I so want to try this wig. Let's look at the construction of this gorgeous girl. So she does have Caucasian light lace right here. She does have the 2.5-inch parting right here as well, lace front. She has 2 combs right here on the side. She has 1 comb right here in the middle. And she does not have a comb in the back with the fasteners, but she does have a medium cap. So if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work out for you. And let me just show you again. I can't stop looking at this great color and these curls. It's just a little dream, and I cannot wait to brush her out to see the look that she's going to give. When you get it, it actually comes with a detangling brush. So I absolutely love that. And then this also does come with a wig cap, so you are ready to go as soon as she arrives. But I'll actually be using a wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really love these wig caps, so I'll leave the link down below for that. I put my wigs on front to back. Alright, so I'm actually going to move forward just a little bit so you can check out this hairline. I feel the hairline actually looks pretty good as is, but of course, definitely thin it out using a pair of tweezers, but I do feel like the hairline looks pretty good in light, and I'm sure it helps that this is a lighter hair color. Let's take off the lace. And just like that. Oh my gosh, so in love. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is really quick, I'm going to brush her out a little bit with the brush that she came with. Oh my gosh, can we just talk about this really quick? I literally can't handle this. I am in love with these waves, with this volume, with these different colors. I just absolutely love it. So for changing the parting of this wig, definitely if you glue her down, you could really flip her around and do some crazy amazing things with it. What I will tell you, since she is heat safe, I would of course, I don't know if you can see, but it gets a little crinkly sometimes on the tops of these wigs just from shipping. So I probably just like flatten her out just a little bit, but let's actually move her a little bit to see what kind of look she gives if I just switch it by the parting. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I love it. Like a little vintage dream right here. Like this is amazing. Oh my gosh, I literally cannot handle it. And pardon my only wearing a tank top. I didn't want to wear anything crazy because I knew this wig was gonna just take it home, and I didn't need any crazy clothes but a basic black tank top. So let's flip her to this side right here and see if she does a little something different, which she will, because this kind of had that kind of pop. So this one, let's take a little look here. Oh yeah. So this one has a little flatter of a side, which is great. Oh yeah, I totally dig this as well. So let me know if you have a favorite pink wig. I would seriously love to know and see you in these wigs. And of course, this wig right here is from DonaLoveHair. I really am I can't stop talking about it. I love this wig. I cannot wait to wear her out in all of her amazing glory. And of course, reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to share photos of you wearing your favorite wigs and being as amazing as you possibly can be. It is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this amazing pink wig, wear it, love it, and own it. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.